Hello friends, do you want to create a professional online appointment booking system in WordPress without coding? In this video, I will show you how to use BookingPress plugin to build a fully automated booking website. Let's get started. Here you can see this is a BookingPress plugin website. BookingPress is a powerful and modern WordPress appointment booking plugin that allows your customers to book services online, choose date and time, select staff members, book different services online. Here you can see select staff members, and here you can see they can choose date and time, and they can make it, and here you can see they can make the payments and receive automatic confirmations too. And here you can see we have successfully booked this appointment. Here you can see the type of services, the date and time, and the customer name. Okay, and they will get like Google calendar notification to whoever books the particular appointment. And here you can see we are having different services. It works perfectly for many industries like salon booking, yoga appointment, education and tutor, medical and dental, maintenance and repair, rental bookings, beauty and spa, fitness and gym bookings, pet grooming, business consultancy booking, photography bookings, event management booking, and so on. As you can see here, if you want to try demos for all these services, you can click on this admin demo or staff demo or else this front end demo on this BookingPress website. Let me quickly tell you why BookingPress is powerful. With BookingPress, you can automate appointments, reduce manual calls and WhatsApp bookings, accept online payments, manage staff schedules, improves customer experience, run your service business 24/7, and the best part, you can set it up without coding. Now I will show you how to install this plugin and add appointment booking features in our website. Go to the WordPress dashboard and now follow my instructions. Go to these plugin sections and click on here add new plugin. Click on this add plugin option, and here you need to click on this upload plugin option. You need to visit this website. I will give this website link in the description below, and you need to visit this website bookingpressplugin.com. and here you can see when you visit this website, here it will show like pro version and free version, both are available. In free versions, we can use the free versions. If you need extra features means we need to buy the pro version. Here you can see we will get all the pro version features. Like if I select this BookingPress compare features, here we can see in the market we are having these type of booking appointments plugins, all these options. Here you can see if we compare all these features, BookingPress is having lot of features with budget friendly price. And please do visit this website, and here click on this download free version option, and here you can see the booking plugin is being downloaded. After downloading it, click on this choose file and upload it into the plugin section. Here you can see the plugin will download in zip format. You need to upload this plugin in zip format only. Let me drag and drop it in the file section, and here you can see upload the zip file and click on install now. And you need to activate this plugin. Click on activate plugin. After installing, you need to activate the plugin. And on the left side here you can see we will get this option called BookingPress option. You need to select this BookingPress option, and here after selecting the BookingPress option, here we need to enter all the details like company name, address, time format, date format. You need to select your country, phone number, website, and you need to upload your logo. Okay, and let me enter my company name. Like let's take a dental website. Like let me type dental care, and address is Hyderabad. And you can select the time format too, like 12 hours format or else 24 hours format. I need 12 hours format only. And you can select the date format too, like date, month, and year. Let me select this option like date, month, and year. And select your country. I will select the country as India. Let me type India. Here let me select India country, and you can add your phone number, and you can add your website URL, address, and you can add your company logo also. Let me add company logo like this. Okay, this company logo, and click on this next option. And here you need to select these booking options like your default working days on Monday, Tuesday, all these available days. Okay, and here you can see if you are available from 10 a.m. to like 6 p.m. You can select all the working hours on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you are not available on Friday, you can select it as off. Okay, if you are available on Saturday, you can select it as like 9:35 to 9:46 p.m. and if you are not available on Sunday, and you can select it as off. Okay, and you can select the currency like US dollars or euros as per your country currency. Okay, let me select Indian rupee. After selecting these booking options, click on this next option, and here you need to add your multiple service details. I'm creating like a dentist website. Okay, dentist appointment booking. So let me add 3 services. I will add first service as teeth whitening, and the price will be like 3000. I'm adding 3000, and you can select 30 minutes or hours as per your requirement. If it is 2 hours, you can select 2, and you can select 2 hours option. Okay, and you can add description. If you want to add another service, click on this plus option, and here you need to add another service over here. Let me add this service, and the price will be like 5000, and it will be like 40 minutes. Let me add another service. Click on this plus option, and here you can see I have added 3 services. Okay, after adding these 3 services, click on this next option, and here you can select your font family, and I want to make this font family as default, or else you can select as per your brand font family and branding colors. Okay, let me click on this next option, and here you can see you have successfully created appointment booking in your dentist website. And here you can use this link. If you want a separate link for the booking appointment, you can copy this link, and let me open this link in new tab and type this link and visit this link. If you visit this link, immediately here you can see this is the appointment booking page. Okay, whenever a customer visits your websites, they can select the particular service and they can book an appointment. Okay, and here we are having different options. If you want to place booking option in your home page, you can copy this short code. Let me copy this short code. After adding this, let me click on this finish option.
Before going into a video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
Now we need to integrate appointment booking in our front end of the pages. So let me visit this home page. Let me visit the page, and I want to integrate the appointment booking in the second section of this home page. So let me click on this edit with Elementor, and here let me select this plus option and click on this plus, and here you can select the structure. Let me select this structure. Okay, and in this middle section I want to add the appointment booking plugin. Okay, in the second section, so let me select this first subcontainer. Let me make it like 15 pixels, 15%, and let me select this third option, third subcontainer. Let me add it as 15%, and let me select this. Let me add 70%, and here click on this add plugin, add element, and here you need to type booking option. Here you can see booking form, BookingPress, and this is a customer panel BookingPress. So let me select this booking form element and drag and drop it in this. Okay, and here you can select the service like teeth whitening, teeth braces, and Invisalign. Let me select these services and click on this publish option. After publishing, click on this preview changes, and here you can see we will get all these 3 services. Here I have added these. I have selected all the available services what we have added previously, and this is a front end. If anyone want to book the service, they can select the service, and here they can select the date, and after that they can select the timings. Let me select these timings. So for adding first name, last name, and your email IDs and phone number, you can click on this next summary option, and here you can click on this book appointment to book the appointments. Okay, and it's showing like we need to add the payment gateway. So let's go back to this website, and here you can see this is you can select this BookingPress option on the back end, and whenever someone books an appointment, you can check the statistics over here, like how many total appointments and how many are approved, how many are pending, and what is the revenue and how many customers you got. And if I select this calendar option, you can manually add appointments from the back end also. Okay, and if I click on this appointments, if anyone submitted the booking forms appointments, you can see all their appointment records over here, and you can also check the payment details also. If I say select this payments option, you can manage the payments, and whenever you got a bookings, and here it will show like how much amount of payments you have received from the booking appointments. And here you can select the customers, and here you will get the customer names and all. And if I click on the service option, and here you can add a few more services if you want to add in your website. And this is a notification option, and this is a notification that is sent to the customer when he book an appointment, like he will get all these options. Okay, you can customize as per your requirements. If it is approved, these text will be sent to his email. Okay, and here you can see you can use these tags like HTML tags, and you can create your own message whenever someone books a particular appointment when it is approved. Okay, after making the payment. And for the admin, they will receive this text to their email ID. For customers, they will receive this text to their email ID. Okay, and you can also make the customizations. If I click on this customize option, you can customize a form. Let me click on this customize option, and here you can see you can change the color code of this website. Like, and you can, if I select this as red color, here you can see it will change to red color. All the options will be changed to red color, and if I click on this OK, so all the options will be changed to this color, red color. Okay, so let me keep it as green only. I don't want to change any colors. Okay, click on OK. Okay, click on next date and time. You can select the date and time. You can edit your basic details. You can check the summary details, how it is visible in the front end, and this is a booking form. And for the customer panel, it will look like this. Okay, and if you receive any bookings, so you will see these options like this person has booked this particular service on this date and this time, and he has paid this much amount. Okay, and if you go to this settings option, you can also customize the settings as per your requirements. Here you can see in the general settings, if you want to change the default service duration, minimum duration, you can change to 35 minutes or else 40 minutes as per your requirement, and default time slot you can select like 40 minutes or 30 minutes. You can change the time as per service duration, and you can group the time settings also like 12 p.m, 4 p.m, 8 p.m, and when you will start afternoon, you will start your work from 12 p.m or from evening time when you will start. You can customize as per your requirement, and default appointment status, it should be like approved, and appointment status paid with on-site should be like approved only. And you can add your phone number, country code, default items per page. You can change the time format, date format. You can share time slot between all services. Okay, and also if I select this company option, you can enter your company details, address details. This is a sender email and this is admin email, and you can select you can customize your working hours. If I select this working hours, you can change the working hours, and you can also add holidays if you are having any holidays, like if you're not available in this particular days, like suppose if you're not available from March 1st to March 8th, you can select this holiday season also. Between these holidays, you will not get any booking appointments to your website. Okay, you can select the all holiday options also, and also if you select this payments option, you can enable the payments option, on-site payments or PayPal payments. Okay, let me select this on-site payment, and if you go to this message option, you can customize the messages as per these options, like no service selected for the booking. This error message will be displayed on the booking page. Okay, you can then import and export all the logs like settings, customizations, appointments, services, and notifications. Okay, after making the changes, you can click on this save changes option, and you can also have, and this appointment booking, this BookingPress plugin also have many add-ons. If I click on this add-ons option, you need to buy the pro version in order to add advanced options, like you can add tags to the appointment bookings. You can add, if you want to invoice, if you want the customers to get invoice, you have to upgrade this plugin to pro version. You can add cart add-on, customer service duration, happy hours pricing, location add-on, multi-language add-on, advanced discount add-on, gift card add-on. So all these options are available in the pro version. Okay, as per now, free version is enough. So let me visit this front end of the page, and let me click on this. And if you go to this backend, click on this settings option, and here if you don't want to accept any payments whenever someone books on your website, you can select this payments option. You can select this general settings option, and here you need to select this default appointment status as pending, and also appointment status paid on site should be pending. Okay, and also please to select this payments option, and you need to select this payment method as on site options. Okay, after making these changes, click on the save options. Okay, if you want to accept payments, you can enable the PayPal option, and you can enter your PayPal merchant email, API username, and API password and API signature from your PayPal account, and you can integrate your PayPal payment gateway into your booking appointment. Okay, as for now, I don't want to take any payment gateways, so let me disable this option. Okay, after disabling this, click on the save changes option. Now here in the home page, we have added this element in the BookingPress element in the home page. So let me visit this home page. Let me click on refresh this option, and here you can see in the front end, the customers will see this is the appointment booking section. Okay, you can also add heading. Let me click on this add element, add heading like book an appointment, book appointments. So let me add book appointment, click on this align into center, click on this publish option. So let's visit this preview changes, and here you can see the customers can select the particular service. They can select the date, their particular date. They can select the particular timing slot, and they will add their first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Click on this next summary, and they can book an appointment. After successfully booking the appointment, they will be redirected to this page like your appointment booked successfully. This is the service that they selected. This is the date and time, and this is the customer name. They will get they can add this booking appointment to this their Google Calendar or Yahoo Calendar, Outlook Calendar as per their requirement. Okay, after whenever someone makes the appointment appointment, they can go to this calendar option on the back end. They can visit this appointment section. Here they can see all the bookings they received from the website, and if they are available for the particular timings, they can select this status from pending to approved. Okay, so that their appointment will be booked successfully. And when they receive any payments, they can select this payment section and they can check their payment details over here. And they can see the customer names also over here. So this is a customer name and their email address and phone number they have received. Okay, so if you want any pro versions, you can click on this upgrade to pro option and click on this upgrade to BookingPress. And in the free plan, we will get we can use it in unlimited sites and unlimited appointments, fully customizable, and it is a limited support. And if you need 20 plus payment gateways, all these payment gateways in your website, you need to upgrade to pro option like standard plan or professional plan as per your requirements. You will get all these extra add-ons. Okay, you can click on this see all features, and these are the features you are going to get if you upgrade to pro option. Okay, like standard or professional or enterprise option as per your website requirements or else business requirements. Okay, that's how you create this appointment booking in your websites.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.